Security is the cornerstone of every help desk. At HappyFox, data protection is seamlessly built in, giving admins full control over setup, enforcement, and protection. Let's dive into configuring these settings as an admin. Navigate to Manage, then Security in the main menu. Here, admins can set up 6 essential safeguards: IP restrictions, password policy, session security, two-factor authentication, knowledge base, and content security policy. Let's take a closer look at each. IP restrictions. Agents work from various locations, but not all networks are secure. By clicking Add IP Restriction, you can whitelist specific IP addresses for your VPN offices or secure devices. Once enabled, only agents on trusted networks will be able to access your help desk, effectively blocking public and unauthorized logins. Next up is password policy. Strong passwords are your first line of defense. Establish rules for length, complexity, and expiry to ensure agents comply with your organization's security standards. After saving, all passwords must meet these criteria, ensuring consistent compliance across your help desk. Next, session security. Agents frequently switch between tickets, chats, and tools, making session security crucial. Define how long an agent can remain inactive before automatic logout. For instance, set a 2-hour logout timeout. You can also disable the Remember Me option in agent or contact logins to ensure each login is freshly authenticated, a common practice in highly secure industries. Two-factor authentication. Adding an extra security layer to every login will enable 2FA for all agents. Each agent can set up 2FA using an authentication app like Google Authenticator. During login, agents will confirm their identity with both a password and a one-time code, ensuring only verified users gain access. Next is knowledge-based security, enhancing articles with video embeds. However, unsafe scripts can pose risks. HappyFox blocks tags like iframe and script by default. If embedding trusted images or widgets is necessary, enable this control in security settings. Next is the content security policy. Support portals often load external content, posing security risks. CSP lets you control domains that can load scripts, images, and styles, enabling or disabling them as needed. Enable CSP for both Agent Portal and Support Portal, then list your trusted domains. This ensures your help desk communicates only with approved sources, safeguarding against threats like code injection and cross-site scripting. All these configurations together create a robust defense layer for login policies and content controls. With HappyFox, admins have full oversight to secure every aspect of help desk usage and availability. If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit HappyFox University for more videos like this one.